Namaskar. Glowing skin isn't just a sign of good care, it's a sign of good health as well. And you don't even have to buy expensive chemical products to get a good skin. Remember, truth is, nature has best ingredients to give your skin a healthy glow. Today, I will teach you how to make 3 unique face packs which are homemade that will make your skin glow naturally. First, we have Saffron Makhana Brightening Pack. This pack combines a golden glow of saffron, nourishing property of fox nuts, makhana. Saffron has been used for centuries for its ability to brighten skin and even out complexion. Research shows that makhanas are rich in anti-aging amino acids that repairs skin damage and boost hydration. What makes this face pack unique? That it is deeply moisturizing and helps reduce pigmentation and dark spots, giving your skin a special glow. This is how you can make this face pack. First, soak 4 to 5 strands of saffron in 2 tablespoons of warm milk for 10 minutes. Then grind 2 tablespoons of roasted makhana into fine powder. Next, mix the saffron infused milk with the makhana powder to form a thick paste. Apply evenly to your face and neck. Leave it for 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Use this pack once a week to rejuvenate dull skin. The makhanas are also known for exfoliation to remove dead skin. But if you have severe acne, avoid anything that could be abrasive on your skin. The second homemade face pack for you is a pomegranate and rice flour face pack. Studies show that pomegranate is full of antioxidants which fight free radicals and promote collagen production. And the rice flour gently exfoliates and removes dead skin cell. This pack is for natural glow and smooth texture. To make this, start by blending 1/4 cup of fresh pomegranate seeds into a smooth paste. Then add 1 tablespoon of rice flour and 1 teaspoonful of honey to the pomegranate paste. Mix well and apply on face with circular motion to exfoliate gently. Leave it for 15 minutes and rinse with cold water. For a refreshing and toning effect, chill the pomegranate seeds before blending. The third pack is Almond Vetiver Hydration Pack. This pack is especially good for you if you have dry or sensitive skin. Almonds are full of vitamin E and healthy fat that nourish and soften the skin. Vetiver, often called khas, is known for its cooling and anti-inflammatory properties. This pack is ideal for dry and sensitive skin since it hydrates deeply while calming irritation. To make this natural face pack, soak 5 to 6 almonds overnight and grind them into a fine paste. Now mix with 1 teaspoon of vetiver powder or vetiver infused water into the almond paste. Add a teaspoon of fresh cream or yogurt for added hydration. Apply on your face and neck. Leave it for 20 minutes. Gently scrub out with wet fingers and rinse. While these packs work wonders, don't forget the 3 essentials for glowing skin. First, stay hydrated. Next, follow a balanced diet rich in seasonal fruits and vegetables. So try these 3 unique all-natural face packs to transform your skincare routine. Your skin will feel pampered, loved, and most importantly, it would be glowing. Namaskar.